Right now, a hospital you've never even been to could sue you, win, and legally take your home. And you would have absolutely no idea it was coming. I'm not talking about a mortgage you can't pay. I'm not talking about a foreclosure. I'm talking about a completely separate legal attack, one that wipes out families who thought they were doing everything right. But here's what nobody is telling you, and I mean nobody. Not on YouTube, not on Google, not any financial advisor you've ever paid. There is a legal document. It takes 20 minutes to fill out. It costs under $65, and it makes your home almost untouchable. From hospital debt collectors, from lawsuit judgments, from credit card companies coming after everything you've built. It's called a Homestead Declaration. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, exactly where to get it, exactly how to file it, and exactly which states give you the most protection. Some states protect your home completely, with no dollar limit whatsoever. And here's the twist that'll probably make you a little angry. This document has existed for over 150 years. Every state in America has a version of it, and less than 2% of homeowners have ever filed it. Why? Because filing it doesn't make the bank any money. It doesn't make your insurance agent any money, and it definitely doesn't make the hospital any money. So, no one tells you it exists. By the end of this video, you will never have to watch another video on this topic, because I'm giving you the exact steps, the exact dollar amounts, and I'm telling you which states protect you the most, and which ones you need to watch out for. Real quick, if you're new here, this channel is built on one promise. I tell you the financial strategies that advisors charge hundreds of dollars an hour to share. Strategies that are not on YouTube, not on Google, not on social media. If that's what you're looking for, hit subscribe right now, because this series has 8 more videos that are going to change how you think about money and housing forever. All right, let's get into it. And I promise, what I'm about to show you will make you want to call your parents, your siblings, and every homeowner you know. I want you to meet a family. I'll call them the Garcias. 2 working parents, 3 kids. They spent 22 years paying off their home in Texas. 22 years of sacrifices, late nights, double shifts. And they did it. No mortgage. Their home was theirs. Then Mrs. Garcia got sick. Nothing catastrophic. A hospital stay, some treatment, the kind of thing that happens to millions of families every single year. The bills came to $67,000. They had insurance. They thought they were fine. But there was a gap in coverage. The hospital filed a lawsuit. They won a judgment. And that judgment, because of how the law works, attached itself directly to the Garcia family's home. The home they'd spent 22 years paying off. Here's the thing, and this is the part that changes everything. If the Garcias had filed a Homestead Declaration before that lawsuit was filed, that judgment could not have touched their home, not $1. Texas has an unlimited homestead exemption. The hospital could have sued them, won, and collected absolutely nothing from the home. The document costs $30 in Texas. They didn't know it existed. In America, medical debt is the #1 cause of bankruptcy, and most of those families had insurance. So let me show you exactly what to do to make sure this never happens to you. Let's start with what a Homestead Declaration actually is, in plain language. When you file this document, you are telling the state, "This is my primary residence," and the state puts a legal shield around a portion, or in some states, all of your home's equity. Creditors, debt collectors, and lawsuit judgments cannot pierce that shield. And here's what makes this different from everything else I'll ever teach you on this channel. You do not need a lawyer. You do not need a financial advisor. You do not need to be rich. You just need to know this exists, and then do the 20-minute process I'm about to walk you through right now. Step 1. Look up your state's exemption amount. This is the most important number because it tells you exactly how much of your equity is protected. Let me give you the most powerful states right now. Texas, unlimited. Florida, unlimited. California, $300,000 to $600,000. Massachusetts, $500,000. New York, $89,000 to $179,000. Most states, $75,000 to $200,000. Wait, Texas and Florida are unlimited? Yes. And no, that is not a typo. If you own a home in Texas and you filed your Homestead Declaration, a creditor can win $1 million lawsuit against you, and they cannot take your home. Period. Full stop. Step 2. Download the form. This is embarrassingly easy. Search your state name plus the words Homestead Declaration Form free, and the county recorder's website will have it. It's one page, it's free. You don't pay a single dollar for the form itself. Step 3. Fill it out and get it notarized. Now before you get nervous, notarizing is simple. You sign the document in front of a notary public. That's it. You can find a notary at almost any bank for free, at your local UPS store for about $5 to $15, and in most cases, right inside your county courthouse, for free. Here's a trick most people don't know. If you call your bank and say you'd like to have a document notarized, in almost every case, they'll do it for free on the spot. No appointment needed. Step 4. File it at your county recorder's office. You walk in, hand them the notarized form, pay the filing fee, and you're protected. The fee is between $15 and $50 in most counties. Some counties accept it online. You're done. Total cost? Under $65. Total time from start to finish? Less than 30 minutes. Step 5. And this one is critical. If you ever move to a new home, file a new declaration within 30 days of moving in. The protection stays with the specific property, not with you. New home means a new filing. Now, I know what you're thinking. What does this not protect me from? Great question, and I'm going to answer it right now. Your Homestead Declaration does not protect you from your mortgage lender. They have a security interest in your home. That's built into the contract. It does not protect you from property tax liens or HOA liens, and it does not protect you from judgments related to fraud. Now I want to share something with you that private wealth managers, the people who charge $400 an hour, teach as a matter of routine to every client with a home and any amount of equity. Medical debt is the #1 cause of bankruptcy in the United States. Let me say that again. Number 1. Not job loss, not divorce, not overspending. Medical debt. And here's the brutal part. The majority of those families had health insurance when the bills arrived. A family with a Homestead Declaration filed in a state with a $300,000 exemption and $250,000 in home equity is almost completely lawsuit-proof from medical creditors. The hospital can hire a lawyer, sue them in court, win a judgment, and walk away with nothing from that home. Because the law says so. Because a $30 document said so first. This is not a loophole. This is not a gray area. This is the law, written specifically to protect families like yours. The only reason you haven't heard of it is because the people who benefit from your not knowing, the debt collectors, the hospital billing departments, they have no reason to tell you. So here's what I want you to do today. Not this week, not when you get around to it. Today, search your state's name plus the words Homestead Declaration Form. Download the form. Call your bank and get it notarized for free, and file it at your county recorder's office this week. You will spend less than $65 and less than 30 minutes, and you will have done something that less than 2% of homeowners in America have ever done. Share this video with someone who owns a home, not because it helps me, but because there's a family out there right now that doesn't know this exists, and this video might be the thing that saves their home. And if you think this was powerful, wait until you see video 2. Because next week, I'm going to show you how to buy a home with $0 down, 0 private mortgage insurance, and this is the part that shocks everyone, it works in the suburbs, not just on farms. Almost nobody knows this program exists. I'll see you there. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the moment. The next 8 videos in this series are going to give you strategies that your financial advisor has never mentioned. Strategies that the banks hope you never find. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in video 2.